Okay, you're welcome back to the dashboard. Let's continue. We've looked at products. Now let's look at categories. When you talk about categories, we're actually talking about, let's go back so I'll show you something. We're talking about these categories and these ones. So whenever you add a category, it will display to show here. Okay, if you add new category, I told you that this is a multi-purpose website where you can sell not just agricultural products, you can still sell any other thing if you want to, even though this is agricultural product. This is seem to be basically for agricultural product, but in case if you want to modify it to sell other things, you can still do that. Okay, all right. So if you want to add other categories, agricultural related or any other categories, you can do that. Okay, all right, let me try to see if I can add one category, even though I'm kind of trying to remember to know which one to add. Okay, let's do it. Click on category. There are a lot we are going to do in this category. Under categories, you have view categories. This is where you view all the categories added. You can also remove categories from here. Okay, if you want to remove, let's quickly see it first. Let's see it first. From here now, these are the categories I added. You see the categories. Okay. Oh, there are a few corrections I have to make. Okay, by the time you're watching this video, I would have made the corrections. Okay, but you see the categories. Okay, from here now, we click on these options. You're going to see a drop down. If you want to hide category, let's say you don't want the category to be showing in the website anymore, click on hide. If you want to recommend, you click on recommend. Okay, if you want to edit or delete, you can edit or delete. There are a few corrections I have to make here. Okay, so I'm trying to run fast. Okay, so in case if you want to hide any category, you can do that. If you want to, let's say you don't want that category to be showing in your website, you can do that. All right, now this is add new category. If you want to add new category, just type in, let me think of a category to add right now. Let's just say let's say vegetable, something like the vegetables. Let's just use this. Okay, so then you choose the category image, the image of the category. I will use anything. Okay, let's just use anything. This one. Okay, then click open. Now you click on insert. Then the category is successfully inserted. All right, now let's check it. Let's check it from the front end. Let me refresh and check. Do you see that another category is added here? Okay, another category is added, vegetable. Okay, even though the category is still empty because I've not added any product to this category. If I click on it, you see vegetable category is empty because no product is yet added to it. Okay, now if you watch, you see that under this now you're going to see that we have a menu now telling me more categories, because the categories here now, there are more than 10 categories. So for you to see more, you have to click on more category. Do you see that? It will now display product categories page where you see all products categories. Okay, you can now go to any category you want. That's all about product category. Okay, so you can add category, you can remove category, and all the rest of them. Okay, so then this one is subcategory. Subcategory is stuff like this. Let's go back and show you. When you point at a category, you see a subcategory will show. So if you want to add any subcategory, I'm not going to add, but I will just show you how to do that. If you want to view subcategories added already, click on view subcategories. You see all the subcategories I added. All these subcategories you are seeing here: planting equipment, heavy equipment, they are here. You get me? All right. So So that's for our subcategories. Then if you want to add subcategories, you come here, just type in the category name, then you choose the category, that is, choose the main category where this one is going to be under. Okay, yeah, this one, the name of subcategory, then the category that owns this subcategory. Okay, you choose it, then you insert. Then you can insert as many subcategories as you want. So that's how to insert category under subcategories. All right, then this is for users. So if you want to start adding admins that will manage your website for you, you have to send them a link to register. Let me type in the link here. Okay, the link will be something like, because your website is still hosted in my website for now. By the time we host it, then it will sound something like your website slash register.php. Okay, but for now it's going to be like this. But this is not the one you're going to give. This is not the one you're going to give. Also, not Heroic Concept, but Heroic Universal. Okay. Then e-commerce. Then slash. Then you now have register.php. Okay, so that is say your registration link, which I will send to you after hosting your website. I will send it to you to something like your domain name slash register.php. That's how it's going to be. Okay, so you see, once you send it to somebody, when the person opens it, the person will see a registration page like this. Okay, so the person will be required to fill the details and register. After registering, the person's details will appear in the dashboard in these users. You see, you have only one. Okay, if the person registered, you see you have more. Okay, you see more people registering. Okay, if you send it to many people, once they register, they will register as user and their status will be user. Do you get me? Their status will be user. Then you can come here and there, make them admin. If you make them admin, they will disappear from the user and they will get to admin. Okay, let me do it. If you want to delete any of them, you can delete. Let me make them admin right now. Alright, do you see that the user, this is empty now? No user found, because the person is no longer a user. It's now, the person is now an admin. So let's go to admin, view admins. Do you see that I've become an admin? Okay, all right, so that's how to do it. Then you see view super admin. Only myself is the super admin here. Okay, I'm the only super admin here. Then that is to say, if you register right now, we'll make you a super admin too. Then you become the super admin that manages the website. Okay, then you can add admin as many as you want. Just send them registration link to register. Then after registering, you can log in to your dashboard and make them admin. Once you make them admin, they will have access to everything in this dashboard. Okay, they will have access to a lot of things here in the dashboard. They will not have access to admin section, like they won't have access to this particular place, this particular admin section. They won't have access to it. They won't be able to add admin. You'll be the one to appoint admin. Okay, as in the owner of the website will be the one to appoint admin. They will not appoint any admin. They will just manage the entire website, but they will not appoint admin or delete admin. But they can manage other this thing, and they can become a super admin unless you want me to make any of them super admin. Okay, so that's basically it. So that's it. That's for the admin section. Then the comment is when people comment. Let's click on comment. See, comment is still empty, no comment. When people comment on a product, let me go back to the website. Let's open one product right now. Let's open this. Okay, now come down. You see post your comments here. Then let's say I type in my name, Uche Joe, then uchejoe985@gmail.com. Then I type in my comment. Let's say this is a pretty good cow. I need it, something stuff like this. Okay, then you post comment. This is successfully posted. Your comment is successfully posted, but you still can't see the comment here. Okay, the only comment you see is the first the one I actually used. Okay, this one is not even the comment, it's a description, healthy cow. So there's no comment here yet. Now let's go back to the back end. Okay, now let's refresh. We are having a bad network. Okay, so we just know that once the network is stabilized, the comment will show. Once you give okay, it's shown. So do you see the first comment made on this cow? So you are going to here, you're going to see the name of the person, the email, the comment. This is a pretty good cow, I need it. Then but come to status, you're going to see that this comment is still unapproved. You know, I made it to be so because some people might post stuff that you don't want, that might discourage your buyers. If you don't want to approve it, then you can just leave it unapproved. But if what the comment made, it's okay, if you're okay with the comment and you want it to be in your website, then you can now come here, click on options, click on approve. If you don't need the comment at all, you can delete it. Okay, so if I click on approve now, successfully updated, then you watch out, it will be approved. Okay, do you see approved? Perfect. Now let's check the website. Let's refresh. Do you see now the comment will appear with my name, my email, then this is a pretty good cow, I need it. Okay, so the more the people comment, the more you see the comment in your website. So that is all about comments. That's all about comments, and I think I've been able to comfortably finish here under the admin section. Okay, in the next video we'll talk about the user area and the customer area, then we'll finish up. Thank you so much.